Good morning. So, I want to talk a little bit about fear, the fear of change. And I just want to use a real simple example. I don't know how many of you like roller coasters. I usually don't, but I've learned to like them. But do you remember the first time you went on a roller coaster and you looked at it and you were like, oh my God, you were scared shitless. And you didn't want to do it. Your stomach goes in knots. Everybody's like, come on, come on, come on, you got to try it. And then you did it because you felt peer pressure. And then you came off of it and you were like, oh my God, this was the greatest. And you want to go back on again, again, and again, and again, and again. That's your irrational fear keeping you from doing something you don't want to do. Fear, there's an acronym for fear. It stands for false evidence appearing real. We tend to let our fears keep us from doing things, but the reality of it is, once you take that step and you kind of go for it, when you look back, you realize there's nothing to really be scared about. So the first time you went on that roller coaster, you were scared. When you came off of it, you were elated, and you look back and you said, I don't know what I was scared about. I'm not saying everything in life is going to be perfectly in sync like that, but for the most part, if you face your fear, and whatever that fear may be, when you look back on it, you're definitely going to be in a better place than you were when you were scared of it. So if you're looking to change things and you're afraid, take a risk, take that leap, and just face that fear. And message me and let me know if you did it, what you did, and how it worked out for you. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.